In this video, I'll show you how to fill the ink tanks on your HP Smart Tank 580. If you don't have this specific model of a HP Smart Tank, then not to worry. Please continue to watch as the solution may be very similar, if not exactly the same. So I'll be taking you through the step-by-step on what to do. What you'll need is to make sure that your printer has been removed the stickers if it's brand new and you're ready to begin with the ink. Take all the ink, of course you need to remove it from these sleeves, so I'm going to do that now. You'll see we have a couple different options for the color, plus one big black tank. So this one is slightly bigger, meaning that when you fill the ink cartridge, you're going to have remaining black ink, so make sure to put the lid back on after you're done, and you can save that again for another top-up. So I'll just remove it from the plastic now. And here we are, so we have those ready now, and what we can do is come to the front of the printer and we can open up the slide here. So you're just going to pull on this and that will open it up. Now hopefully if you saw one of my more recent videos, you saw how to remove all the film and cardboard from inside the printer, but if you haven't done that, please go check out that video and you'll be able to see how to do it. And we're going to be focusing on this left side here. So what you want to do is start with taking the black ink. You're going to open this up and we're just going to start to fill it up. We'll just take the lid off your black ink cartridge and we're going to top it up. Turn it upside down and just press gently until you hear a click. Now this should start to fill. You may see it fill up in just a second, but you can hear from the bottle that it's draining in. So just allow that a few minutes to fill up completely. There you are. And once that is full, you can remove the ink tank completely. Don't worry about it spilling, as it has a safety release on the cap there. So you can just go ahead, keep this on the side, put the lid back on, and then you have some spare black ink for further use. Make sure to keep this in a dry storage. Make sure to keep it upright as well. If you keep it on the side, the ink may spill out and leak. So this can be used to top up at a later date. And we're just going to follow the same procedure for the other colors. So take off the lid and put it onto your tank there. And you may need to just hold it to support. Feel free to just adjust it as well to make sure it's on there secure. And it's important to push down until you hear a click as well, and this is just to know that the ink is going in. And you can also watch the level rise as well. This is quite important to monitor to make sure you know when it's finished. So this will drain the bottle completely, and once you're finished you can safely remove the bottle from the top there, and this is now safe to be thrown away, and we'll repeat that for the other colors. Here we are. Nice click. That can be removed, nice and safe. And click it again. And there we are. Now we can safely remove the final color. Keep this on the side. Close this lid up and then return the tray to the upright position. Now the printer will recognize that you've restocked and it will begin preparing itself. If you do need any assistance from further steps, please feel free to check out our other videos and you'll see exactly how to set up the rest of the printer. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video did help. If it did, feel free to give us some feedback by leaving a comment down below with any questions, queries or concerns you may have had. You can also leave us a thumbs up if you enjoyed and subscribe. My name is Pat and this is Printers with Pat. Thank you very much for watching the video.